Hello students, this is your Prasanna ma'am from NEET World. Here we are with the latest update in the NEET official website. Under public notice, the correction particulars are given, where you have to correct and at what duration you have to correct. Correction window is active from 9th March to 11th March, that is up till 11:50 pm. Okay, from 9th March to 11th March up till 11:50 pm, the correction window is open or active. So students, be very clear on your confirmation page whenever you have applied. Okay, look into your confirmation page more clearly. If at all there is any correction required in these areas, then only pay additional fee and go for this. If at all everything is clear, don't go for correction at all. So in what fields you can correct? Firstly, either of the parental details you can correct, either of the parental details, not both, either father name and qualification or mother's name and qualification, you can edit this, any one, either of the two. Okay. Second thing is change or add any of the educational qualifications, state of eligibility, category, subcategory, signature and number of attempts. In these fields, if you need any correction, then only go for it. Finally, exam city selection, which is very important, where you are going to write your exam. And lastly is medium of examination. As this is a one-time opportunity, one-time process to be done, make it very particular and very clear when you are going for correction. Once it is done, your forms will be frozen. And on March 9th, whenever the correction window is active, we will make another video on another clear video on how and what to do, or how and what to make the corrections more clearly. For that, subscribe NEET World channel for the latest updates. Thank you.